Genetics, pedigrees. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of Mendelian genetics and pedigrees. Mendelian Genetics. Mendelian genetics is like a game of genetic dice that determines how traits are passed from parents to offspring. Imagine a family where everyone has either brown or blue eyes. Brown eyes are dominant and blue eyes are recessive. Genes come in different versions called alleles, and each parent contributes one allele to their offspring. This is how traits are passed down from parent to offspring. Pedigrees and how to create one. Pedigrees are like family trees that help us trace the inheritance of traits over generations. Start with the oldest generation at the top and the youngest at the bottom. Use circles for females, squares for males, and connect them to represent parent-child relationships. Fill in shapes for individuals with the dominant trait and leave them unfilled for those with a recessive trait. So how do you use a pedigree chart? Start with a known individual and follow their family connections. Look for patterns of inheritance like dominant or recessive traits. If both parents have the trait, their offspring will likely inherit it. So this is a pedigree chart of my family showing eye color. My grandmother has blue eyes. All other family members, including my aunt, uncle, parents, and cousins, have brown eyes except my one sister, who has blue eyes like my grandmother. Mendelian genetics and pedigrees are fascinating tools for understanding how traits are passed down through generations. Now you can create and decipher pedigree charts for your own family traits. Thanks for watching and keep exploring the amazing world of biology.